Hi, I'm Richard from PageFly. In this video, I will guide you how to achieve that by Vibe shoppable Instagram feed app in PageFly. To get started, you need to install Vibe on your Shopify store. Please check the link in the description to install the app. Let's explore how to set up an Instagram feed in Vibe. From Vibe dashboard, navigate to Instagram feed. Then click the Add Instagram Feed button. Firstly, enter a title for your feed. Then set a status for it. If you wish to use the feed immediately, ensure that its status is set to active. Otherwise, you can save the feed details by setting it as a draft. Please note that exceeding your pricing feed limit will prevent you from activating additional feeds. Next, select the source of your posts as My Account or Publish Account hashtag. Then choosing an Instagram account to display on your feed. If you haven't connected any Instagram accounts yet, you won't have any available options to choose from. In this case, return to Preferences, access Instagram connections, and connect your account there. You can also specify the maximum number of posts to display. By default, the limit is set to 9 posts. The maximum number of posts allowed is 9 for the Lite plan, 50 for the Pro plan, and 150 for the Ultimate plan. Additionally, you have the option to enable this feature, which is exclusive to the Ultimate plan. This feature automatically filters out posts containing tagged products that correspond to the product page. Lastly, you can choose to auto-update posts. When enabled, posts from the source will automatically update on the live feed on the storefront based on the subscription plan schedule. For the Ultimate plan, the auto-sync interval is set to 2 hours. To manually sync posts in the feed settings, click on Add Posts in the Instagram post section. You can customize the post source to determine which posts appear on the feed by setting them as visible. Once you have configured all the settings, remember to save your changes by clicking the Save button. Now moving on to how to add Vibe Instagram feed in PageFly. Go ahead to the PageFly page editor. Head over to Add Third-Party Elements on the left toolbar, click on the Settings button next to the search bar to manage integrations and turn on Vibe. Next, select how you want to display your feed. Vibe offers you 2 options, which are Grid or Slideshow. You just need to drag and drop your preferred option into the page editor. In order to display your Instagram feed on your store, you only need to fill the Vibe feed ID. This is where you can copy the ID, then paste it here. Finally, let's jump into customizing your Instagram feed in PageFly. You have the option to choose how the post-click action functions, open post pop-up, open Instagram post page, or none. Afterwards, you can customize how posts are displayed here. Please keep in mind that the number of posts displayed cannot exceed the limit set in the feed settings. Feel free to adjust the number of items per loading. Please note that items per loading cannot be greater than posts to display. Adjust items per row and item spacing for both desktop and mobile views. There are 2 types of loading more options available: none or load more. Within the post display settings, you can modify the post CTA, post with product CTA, and post ratio. Don't forget to save and publish your changes. Then check the Live page. Vibe is a cutting-edge Shopify Instagram app designed to enhance both your store and your customers' shopping experience. This innovative tool automatically optimizes your store for mobile users, allowing customers to seamlessly shop directly from their Instagram feed. This is the end of the video tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel to get more new video tutorials and contact us via live chat 24/7 if you need any assistance. Thanks for watching.